In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from your Revolut to your Coinbase account. So we're going to start just by opening up the Coinbase application on your phone. And once you're on the Coinbase application, we can click on the transfer button at the bottom of this screen, click on deposit cash, click on easy bank transfer. Select the amount that you want to send to your Coinbase account. So for example, I'm going to send over £20. Then click on the drop down arrow and select add another account. Now from this list, we can just go and select Revolut and then press continue. Now, as you can see, this should direct you straight over to the Revolut application. So as long as you have Revolut installed on your phone, if we click on continue to Revolut, this should take us straight over to the Revolut app. Now, after a couple of seconds, you'll get this confirmation screen. Just go and press continue. And once you've authorized that payment, you can head back over to Coinbase and it's going to say here that the deposit is pending. Now, usually this is instant, but like it says, it can take up to 24 hours. So just go ahead and click on view account. And in the balance at the top here, you should be able to see that money that we just transferred over from Revolut. If it doesn't show up straight away, then just wait a few minutes and that should appear in your balance. And once you have this money in your Coinbase balance, you can then go and buy crypto on the Coinbase app. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.